Lawyer Levi Baligod has accused President Marcos of masterminding the delivery of P805 billion worth of alleged kickbacks to politicians from anomalous flood control projects. Baligod made the claim Tuesday, February 24th in a press conference at Club Filipino in San Juan City, wherein he was accompanied by 18 former Marines. The lawyer and one-time senatorial candidate said the Marines it described as former colleagues of ex-Master Sergeant Ali Guteza made the deliveries on the order of Chief Executive. Guteza, a former security officer of resigned Ako Bicol Party list representative Zaldi Co. He gained notoriety last year when he appeared as a surprise witness in a Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. It was during that hearing he claimed that luggages of cash were delivered to President Marcos. The House Committee on Appropriations chairman during the previous 19th Congress, is a central figure in the flood control project's mess. The root and leader of the plunder in our country is none other than President Marcos, and former Speaker Martin Romualdez and Zaldi Co. would not make a move without the approval of PBBM, Baligod said. Pointing to his Marine companions, Baligod said, now former colleagues of Master Sergeant Ali Guteza from his work as a security consultant or security personnel of former Congressman Zaldi Esco have come forward. These soldiers are no longer in active service, but what they told me is that this will likely be the final battle they will enter. And they want to serve our country as true soldiers, he noted. Baligod alleged that hundreds of deliveries were linked to anomalous flood control projects, and that the money was collected from Co's residents. Even before they received the contract, they had already started remitting money to Mr. Zaldi Co. at his house in Valeverde Phase 6 in Pasig City, he claimed. One of the Marines shared during the presser, we have a group chat with our team under boss Zaldi Co. That's where everything is posted, where the deliveries will go, to whom, and how many suitcases. To this, Baligod interjected, just to be clear, they delivered in Ilocos Norte, in Paure right at BBM's house. Baligod began the presser by recounting his role as one of the whistleblowers of the Janet Limit Naples pork barrel scam some 13 years ago. The billions that were stolen before have now reached the trillions. We have fallen into a much heavier problem, he said. We cannot rely on anyone else to reveal the truth now except us, the citizens ourselves. We cannot depend on those in government today to bring out the whole truth without covering anything up, the lawyer added. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.